What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy Z.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
the Air Jordan 11 Cherry, also known as the Varsity Red.
Yeah.
Holiday 22 edition. And Nigel, it's their first time here, man. What should they do?
Y'all need to ring that notification bell so y'all can feel well for the holidays.
That's right. Get down with our content as we drop it.
Yeah.
So this is the holiday offering that Jordan been bringing us for like every year for a good while now.
Yeah.
The Jordan 11, last year was the cool gray 11s.
Those were nice.
They were nice. I passed on those. But this year we got the cherry, or they call it Varsity Red. And we haven't seen a cherry colorway of this shoe since, 2015? And they did it in a low. They did a shock drop on sneakers recently. The shoe officially releases on December 10th. This pair was donated for content. Hit me on IG. I'll give you more details on that. And let's just get into it, man.
Yes, sir.
You know, you got your traditional Jordan 11 box.
Yeah.
All your standards, you know, all the hits, all the classics.
Yep. Look at the box.
No thrills, no frills.
Yeah.
And we get into the shoe. Just
Here
the good old classic.
Yeah.
Jordan 11 color. Jordan 11, the good old classic Jordan 11 silhouette.
Yeah.
You good old patent leather. Your nylon kind of ballistic mesh and leather and rubber.
Reflective rubber, hyper reflective. I can see my face in here.
The patent leather, man.
This patent leather is like so clean though on this.
It is. It is a clean pair. Comes with that tissue paper, which is almost like a trash bag that they put in some Jordans. They definitely put in the Jordan 11s usually. What you thinking, Nigel? What's happening right now?
Yeah, right. It's kind of like a mirror.
You looking at yourself in the reflection? This guy. I guess it is kind of that reflective.
Exactly. You see that?
I can see myself. That's weird.
Yeah. Right. That's what I'm saying.
Oh man, you crazy. This is, your traditional Jordan 11. It's been around for a good while. You know, MJ said that the actual Jordan 11 is his favorite silhouette. So in the last dance, they've asked him to, kind of pick and choose. He said, that's like picking your favorite kid or something like that you don't do. He's like, but he said the 11s were his top.
So he has a favorite kid.
Apparently, he has a favorite kid.
Is that just a normal thing between parents?
Nah, man, I don't have a favorite kid.
Be real.
I don't have a favorite kid. I don't. You and your sister, man. I love y'all equally, dude. One may get on my nerves more frequently than the other just because of their age or, certain things. But love y'all both the same, equal.
I bet MJ said that when he was talking to his Jordans, too.
Just talking to his shoes. Love you, man. I love you.
That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, I haven't bought a pair of Jordan 11s in a while. I mean, literally since Breads. And that was like 2011, 2012. I passed on the cool grays. I need a couple new pair, though. Some Concords, some Space Jams.
I think you're good.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. Nah, I'm just kidding.
Dude, always need a new pair of shoes.
It's a joke. But nah, and honestly, the styling of the shoe, like my younger self, I had the Columbias back in college, the white and like that, the UNC blue, where they're mostly all white, and it's just like the Carolina blue trim.
Yeah.
Those are dope.
They are nice.
These are clean, man.
Yeah.
But my personal styling and taste, they're basketball shoe. Like they're so basketball-y that I don't rock these. And then also not the most comfortable because of this the patent leather, like it doesn't give. It doesn't get softer. They stay. I mean, they're good to ball in.
You gotta move like.
Yeah, they're official. They're comfortable to a degree, but not for like an everyday wear. But at the same token, people, with the Jordan 11 have worn them in their weddings, and they're wearing with a suit because of the patent leather. A lot of people got married in Jordan 11.
Why is that a thing?
It's just like when that shoe came out back in the day, it was like that. It took it from the court to now I can do this and do something dressy with it. There was an old R&B group, Boys to Men. You familiar with Boys to Men? From Philly, and they came on. That's with the Grammys, maybe I think it was back in the day. And they all like kind of wore like really kind of dressy or casual look like outfits. But for the award show, they dressed up and they wore the Jordan 11s as a group, and it was like that's dope.
Now people be doing that sometimes too. Like I see a lot of girls like at dances and stuff like
they're wearing Jordan
11s with some 11s or like with the ones or all of them like. That's a thing now.
Yeah, right. Sneakers became more allowable, you know, in that regard. Anyway,
Cool.
That's my ties. That's my thoughts on the Jordan 11. You know, timeless design. You know, they haven't changed much at all, if anything, with this shoe. I know there's like different years, like the patent leather cut may be like slightly higher or slightly lower. Some people that are like deep into the 11s, like, no, I don't like that year because the patent leather cut was too high. I'm like, you're talking centimeters.
That is OD.
Like, yeah, I don't even. I'm like, I don't even see that. Like, it doesn't bother me that much.
It's really like it doesn't vary.
Yeah,
Like it hasn't varied throughout time
at all, right? I mean, you know, like I said, they'll maybe do some different coloring on that upper.
Yeah.
But this follows like the traditional color blocking, right? I kind of wish, yeah, for sure. The materials, the traditional, like the standard OG.
Yeah.
That ballistic kind of nylon mesh on top. Same on the tongue. And, you know, you've got your Jumpman on the back. Your good old 23 there, your patent leather.
23.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
I didn't realize I was a 23.
Peeped.
Really?
That's tough. It's so like stretched out. I thought it was just like lines that they just put here.
That's it, man.
Look at this. Wow. Look, y'all see how it's like, y'all gotta squint to see it.
Yeah,
it's a 23, but like really stretched widely. That's tough.
Yep. Then on the actual tongue area, you got the Jumpman.
And what's up with the Greek writing?
It says Jordan on one side. The other side, I think, says Jordan as well, right?
This does not say Jordan.
Sure?
This says like Jodos. Am I bugging? Yo.
I think it's just like going vertically versus side to side, sideways. Am I right?
Have I been looking at this wrong too? Yo! I'm really noticing stuff. I really never peeped this either.
See?
Yo, okay, so if you look at it on the tongue, you gotta look at it from the side and see how the top says Jumpman.
There you go.
And the bottom says Jordan.
Yeah, I mean, that's the Jumpman Jordan. It looks weird, right? It does.
Yeah.
Like some hieroglyphs or some
That's
kind
what
of
I'm
weird
saying.
print with the logo.
You just gotta look at it in a different perspective.
Yeah, you got to look at it.
Look at this.
Look at it.
Hold on, Pete. Pete, right? So you gotta look at that in a different perspective, and that all ties in with how the Jordan 11 gave people a new perspective on the Jordan, taking it off the court into their regular lives. It's all about perspectives, people.
Boom. Dropping bars over here.
You're welcome.
Y'all can have that one for free.
Yeah, no you can't. No you can't. Swap my money. Thank you.
Oh, man. And they went with the white midsole. So we got this icy blue outsole. I kind of wish they did like a black and red or white and red on the sole piece, personally.
Yeah.
You got red underneath the red hits.
With the checkers.
Yeah. That's the checkers. That's the carbon fiber plate, right? They put underneath the shoe. That carbon fiber. Just bang on it. That's not bending.
Hard.
Yeah, that keeps that stability, man, and keeps your foot from twisting or the shoe from twisting.
So it definitely is a basketball shoe.
Right. Give you that super support.
Yeah.
You got the Jumpman underneath.
I like the sole. I like the ice on it.
Yeah, the sole is dope.
Yeah.
You know, the ice is super icy blue, but you know that's going to turn yellow eventually.
Yeah.
I mean, clean shoe. And, of course, on the back of the tongue, quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. Yeah, man. And your traditional laces, you get these like rope laces with basic tips on the end. Nothing special going on there. And you're just looking at yourself like you're looking in the mirror.
Funny. It's like the store is just like a mirror maze.
So my question on this shoe, right? Another Jordan 11. It's a clean pair. I feel like it's okay. But with all the drops, all the things that have been going on, do people care about this shoe anymore? Like, is this a pair that people are going to chase after?
Nope.
Yeah, I think it's going to sit. You think there's going to be a lot of pairs going to sit. Probably hit some neighborhood outlets eventually, right? Bunch of Jordan reserves. Restock. Yeah, I don't see this shoe going crazy. But again, nostalgia, clean design. There's nothing wrong with it at all. I think, from a rating standpoint, let me know what y'all think about the shoe. Because, again, hype, everything aside, this silhouette, this colorway, are you feeling this? Let me know what you think. But myself personally, I give it a 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah, 7 is passing. I mean, it's a shoe that's, again, the nostalgia, the timeless silhouette. is always dope and clean and classic, but it's not something that's like driving me to shell out, especially another $225 as well. The retail price is on this shoe. Yeah, that's heavy.
Yeah,
especially when for $225, you got like the Alma Year 4. Now you put that side by side. This same holiday time of the year, I'm gonna say nah. I'm gonna spend that money on this versus another Jordan 11 that I don't really need.
I'm gonna have to say the same thing. It's just like a regular. It's just so regular.
Yeah,
like it's just like a regular drop, a regular shoe. Like it's not special. It's not like unique, something that like stands out.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to say the same. I'm gonna give it like it looks good.
Yeah.
It's a good looking shoe. So I'm gonna give it a 7.
Okay.
I'm gonna just say it's a 7.
I had a feeling you was gonna come below me. You're gonna rate it lower than I was.
Because I'm like, it's just cool.
It's cool.
Yeah.
I can see this like, after Christmas, a bunch of little kids will have them on when they come to school in January. So we'll see. Let me know what y'all think. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit that bell. Tap in on Instagram at RealDaddyC.
Yeah.
And thanks for hanging out for another one.
Gracias. Peace.